Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing your data and preparing the phone. Backup photos, SMS, and app data to a local computer or alternative cloud, because removing Google can wipe accounts. Next, enable developer options, and if you plan to install a new ROM, enable OEM unlock. This lets you flash system images. Once done, make sure battery is above 50% and disable aggressive battery savers so the process won't pause mid-installation. You now replace Google-specific functionality with alternatives. Install F-Droid as a trusted repository, then get micro-G to re-implement core Google APIs. This restores essential push and login features without full play services. If your ROM requires it, enable signature spoofing for micro-G to work. That's why many choose custom ROMs like Lineage or /e/. Next, install Aurora Store or use APK Mirror. You finish by locking down privacy and testing functionality. Adjust app permissions so only necessary apps access location, camera, and contacts. This prevents leaks now that Google's central controls are gone. Then test push notifications, map services, and account sign-ins to confirm micro-G and Aurora behave. If things break, check system logs or micro-G self-check, re-enable signature spoofing, or reinstall micro-G. These steps resolve most issues. Finally, keep backups and update apps via F-Droid or vetted APKs to stay secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.